Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Asunlocker solution. We are going to help you how to remove the Xiaomi FRP with Mr. Pro Fixer Auto Tool. You can easily remove the Xiaomi FRP any model, and it is the cheap services tool. Only 2.5 credits required. So let's start the tutorial. First of all, you have to go to asunlocker.com. You can see I am already logged in on asunlocker.com. Login after, you have to click on the order now and select the server service. Type here Mr. You can see the Mr. Pro Fixer Auto Tool Xiaomi FRP remove. You can see here the already existing user. If you have already account, so you have to use this service. If you are new user, so you have to type or use this service. We are going to use this service as a new user. First of all, you have to enter the quantity here, minimum 2 and maximum any amount you can buy. And this one phone require 2.5 credits, so I will buy the 3 credits only. And new username, I will type a username as Asunlocker team. You have to write your username personally here, and password, type here the password, that password you want to use on the Xiaomi Mr. Pro Fixer tool. I will write my password 121236. You can see here the password. And then click on the place order. Your server order has been placed successfully, you can see here. And then we will select this service again to download the tool. You can see here the download link. Click to downloads. You can see the link again. You can see the tool is downloading. Allow download. Open the file folder. Unzip the file. Open the tool. You can see tool here. It is deleted by antivirus, so we have to stop antivirus first. Microsoft.NET require this tool set to install the .NET. Phone you have to connect must into MI assistant mode. How to MI assistant mode? You can check our YouTube channel. We have already video about Xiaomi MI assistant mode tutorial. I have pasted my password in here. Save account. Click on sign in. You can see my balance is 3 already. 3 credit has been loaded on my account. We can check our order history from here also to be sure. If you want to see order history, select the remote server service. You can see the select the server service activation credit. You can see said that your credit now 3 credit has been transferred on account. Complete message you can see in here. So I will remove the Xiaomi FRP right now. You can see the FRP only 2.5 credit. Server 2 online also 3 credit required, but server 1 is online, so we will try to use server 1. Click on the erase FRP option. Phone must connect in MI assistant mode or sideload mode. Tool set to you need 2.5 credits only. device is connected. You can see. Tool is working automatically. After click on the erase FRP, you can see everything is success. Server response success. FRP also success. Tool automatically closed and credit has been checked. You can see I have only 5 right now. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope this video will be helpful for you, and keep using the asunlocker.com and enjoy our service.